Gonna be you. Oh, that was loud. A 2. Okay. And you're red. 1, 2. Wow, that was a good shot because you have got on the shooting star. So you go straight ahead to there. How cool was that? Your first throw. Wow. Okay. So we're going to say this time, I've got a nice goanna. Lovely. I've got some nice gas. I've got a nice goose. I've got a nice game. And I've got a nice galah. Lovely, they were great g sounds on all your words. Brilliant. Okay, this is my throw. Ready? Oh, guess what? I got 2 as well. We're going to follow each other. And I've gone on the shooting star. I'll nudge you over a bit so we can both sit on the same star. Otherwise we'll go around space. Okay, this time we'll say, I had a toy goanna. Lovely. That would be interesting, wouldn't it? Well done. Well remembered. G sounds were really good too. Well done. Okay, it's your throw.